Hi, this is Jay Harris with Infinitybox, and in this video, we're going to show you what your master cell looks like when it powers up. On the screen is one of our standard master cells. We've taken off the clear cover so you've got a good view of the in-sight LCD screen, the buttons below the screen, and also all of the indicator lights. So when you power your system up and you watch it, this is what you see on the master cell. The first screen that pops up gives you the version of code that's loaded on the system. It also has a space for a serial number. Not every system will have a serial number appearing on the screen. That usually happens if you have custom code. The serial number for your master cell is stamped in the white box above the in-sight LCD screen. After a few seconds, the backlight on the screen turns off to save power from the battery. So here are the important things that you want to see when your master cell is up and running. Below the in-sight screen is a blue light labeled COM, and that's the communications light. If everything is working correctly, that light will blink approximately once a second. It indicates that the master cell is talking to other cells in your Infinitybox network. You may also notice in the upper left corner the CAN high and CAN low lights. These lights indicate that there is traffic on the CAN network, and they should blink approximately once a second in sync with the COM light. And if you see a blinking red light for CAN low, that is absolutely normal. Blinking red in this case is okay. The last light that you'll see on the screen is the radio light. And if you have our in-sight radio receiver installed in the master cell, the radio light will blink approximately twice a second to indicate that the radio is receiving signals. So we know from the indicator lights that everything is working correctly. You'll also notice on the dim screen, there are several messages. The first thing you'll see on the top is UT, which indicates uptime. So that actually counts the amount of time that the master cell has been up and running since power was applied from the battery. Then you'll see ST, TX, and RX. ST is status, TX is transmission, RX is receive. And if you see the normal next to that, that means that everything is working correctly. So a screen full of normals is what you want to see. Now, if you press and release the home button below the LCD screen, that's going to give you an inventory of all the cells in the system. And in this case, we have the master cell, which is labeled A0. We have two power cells, which are labeled A1 and A2. And we have inMOTION, which is A3. If you have additional accessories, like maybe an additional power cell, or InTouchNet, or environment, you can use the scroll up and scroll down buttons to navigate through the entire inventory list to see all the cells that the master cell is communicating with. So when you power your system up for the first time, you want to check to make sure you have a COM light to indicate the master cell is communicating. And then you want to hit the home screen and verify that all the cells you have plugged in the network show up on the master cell screen. And when you do that, you'll know the master cell is communicating with all the other cells in the system. So stay tuned for additional videos showing off the master cell and the screens that help you troubleshoot and diagnose. If you have additional questions, you can give our team a call at 847-232-1991, or you can get to our website at www.infinitybox.com. If you like these videos, please hit the bell icon to subscribe so that way you get notified when we post more. Take care and thanks for watching.